Susan Lee up at the newsroom. What else do you have for us?
Yeah, so Melissa's right. We got a penny beat on profits. So 418 is what we got for the quarter. As for revenue, don't forget, so they already guided us at the beginning of this month for around $84 billion or so for the final 3 months of last year. And that's roughly in line with the actual number. So 84.31 billion for the revenues. And this is interesting. We have to take a look at gross margins because we don't get unit sales in this earnings report card. But for the very first time, we're actually getting gross margin numbers, especially for services, which is actually very interesting for a lot of analysts out there because they are looking for a margin of 60% plus. That's what we got for services, which is, of course, very important to Apple's growth in the future. 62% is the number for gross margins. Impressive. Now, as for international sales, accounting for 62% of the quarter's revenue. So, outside of U.S. borders now seems to be more important for Apple going forward. As for China, we're still looking for specific Chinese numbers, but Tim Cook does say in this earnings report card it was disappointing to miss our revenue guidance because for the very first time in 16 years, guys, as you know, at the beginning of this month, they said we're going to make less money than expected because of slowing iPhone sales in China.